How to use Freshworks CRM Marketing Suite properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Freshworks CRM Marketing Suite is a robust platform for managing leads, campaigns, and customer interactions, but many beginners make mistakes that cost time, money, and results. The surprising truth is that even small missteps can drastically reduce ROI if you're not careful. One common mistake is failing to segment contacts properly. Freshworks allows dynamic segmentation based on behavior, demographics, or deal stage. Beginners often treat all contacts the same, sending generic emails that underperform. For example, a first-time subscriber needs a different email than a long-term customer. Proper segmentation increases engagement and conversions. Another frequent error is neglecting automation workflows. Freshworks lets you automate lead nurturing, follow-ups, and campaign triggers. Beginners often manually send emails or tasks, wasting hours and missing timely opportunities. Using automation not only saves time, but ensures your audience receives the right message at the right moment. Many users also overlook personalization features. Freshworks allows inserting custom fields like names, company details, or past purchase history. Beginners often skip this, resulting in emails that feel impersonal. Personalization can boost open rates by over 20%, making it a critical step for marketing success. Analytics is another area where mistakes happen. Beginners may ignore the dashboard metrics, missing insights on email performance, lead engagement, or campaign ROI. Regularly reviewing reports helps optimize subject lines, messaging, and timing for better results. Finally, inconsistent follow-up is a costly trap. Freshworks can schedule tasks and reminders for sales and marketing teams, but beginners often ignore these tools. Missing follow-ups means lost opportunities, even for high-intent leads. To use Freshworks CRM Marketing Suite properly, segment your audience, leverage automation, personalize content, analyze performance, and ensure consistent follow-ups. Avoiding these mistakes transforms Freshworks from just a CRM into a growth engine for your business.